All right, everybody, let's do a cute video game thing for Valentine's Day. So you can see I've made a new material here, which I've called Heart Decal, and it's set for deferred decal, and it's translucent. Okay, and I also made it unlit just to make things easy. Okay, normally I don't use unlit, but deferred decal, translucent, got to be those. First thing we're going to do, we need some text coordinates. Then, if we're having more than one cute thing, we would use a multiply node into a frac, but we're just going to do one here to make it easy. Okay, so some text chords. Then we're going to subtract a value from that. We're going to do a little bit of math here. There's lots of videos about this kind of stuff if you're curious. All right, so this is chunking up our UVs like so. Then we're going to get a pair of component masks, 1 and 2. All right. One's going to be for our R, one's going to be for our G. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a small value to the G's only. Okay, and this is going to raise the numbers up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to append them back together like so. All right. Then these values are way too big right now, so kind of paradoxically it might seem, we're going to multiply these by a value, okay, and that value is going to make this just a little bit smaller. Okay. Then we're going to do a pair of component masks again, break things out into R and G again, oops, R and G again, like so. Then we're going to take the absolute value of the red channel, okay, and that's going to make a line like so. All right. Then we're going to power those values, okay, so then down here we're going to take the 1 minus of the G value, and we're going to take an absolute value of the R value down here as well, and we're going to square root it, and then we're going to subtract the one from the other. Okay, just going to leave us with this sort of shape. All right, then we're going to take this and we're going to take the absolute value of that, and we're going to power that as well, like so. Okay, then we're going to add these two values back together again, which is going to give us this. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a step node. If you don't know what a step node is, there's lots of great videos I recommend you check out. I can maybe link you some. And then we're going to multiply this step node by a color. All right, and we'll make it the color red, but you know, you get a lovely pink or something too, that's okay. All right, then we're going to take our stack here, and we're going to take you and put you in the emissive, and we're going to take this sharpened and stick it in the opacity, like so. All right. Okay, now actually we'll apply and save. In our first person character node, I've got a pretty standard setup here, ignore this one, pretty standard setup here to draw a line from a sphere that I have at the end of the first person gun to, you know, a point in the distance, which is what this is. Then when we hit something, we're going to break that result. I'm going to rotate it a little bit here from the impact normal. I'm going to spawn a decal. Okay, and the decal that I'm going to spawn is going to be the heart decal. Save, apply, hit play, bang, bang, bang. I'm drawing hearts. There you go. Thanks, everybody.